Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jada Dari, and on here I post fashion, college, and lifestyle related content. So if you're into that, make sure you go down below and subscribe. And for today's video, I'll be doing a natural hair routine, wash day, and I'll be using Mielle's Rice Water Collection, shampoo, split-in therapy, moisturizing milk, and the clay mask. I've been using this for like 6 months now, so it works really good with my hair, so I'm not going to change it. If it's working, don't change it. So that's what we'll be doing. So let's get right into today's video. It's time to get my life together. Shake it, move it, bounce it, boom, 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 boom. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so this is my first time doing a voiceover, so give me a thumbs up for that. But let's get into this hair. It looks very much a mess. But first thing first, I like to get my hair wet. I use cool water. I'm just trying to show y'all how good it looks. But I don't use super hot water on my hair. Just like medium temperature. Get it all wet. Can we just get into the length? Like, can we just get into that? Period. So the first thing I go in with is the Mielle Rice Water Collection Split-In Therapy. You can use it for daily use, but I usually don't do that. I probably should start. But it just helps prevent split ends or just help you with your split ends. I just put it in the palm of my hands, a little dime size amount, and I use prayer hands and do that from the root of my hair all the way down to the ends of my hair. And I use prayer hands just because I'm not trying to pull my hair out and like make it even more damage. So that's just what I do. You can also leave this in for 10 minutes, but I just didn't have time for that. So I just put it in there and then I just washed it out. This is me just wanting to show you how full and curly the ponytail is looking. I don't know if this is really like helping me with my split ends, because every time I go to the hair salon, they still be cutting off my hair because they tell me I have split ends. I don't like that at all. Well, actually, I bought this after the fact, so maybe it is helping. I'll let y'all know. Tune in later. Okay, so next I go in with the hydrating shampoo from the Rice Water Mielle Collection. And I just do a little bit in my hand. Not really a little bit. I always say a little bit, but it's not a little bit. And then I just rub it in my fingertips and just go in my scalp with my fingertips, rubbing it back and forth. Basically massaging my scalp. Do not put shampoo throughout your hair. Just in your scalp is where shampoo is supposed to be. And I also part my hair down the middle so I can get it like throughout all of my scalp, not just the front. So I part it down the middle and go in with my fingertips again, massaging my scalp. So after I rinse out all of the shampoo, I go in again with another round of shampooing. I actually do this 2 times. And you're actually, I don't know how many times you guys shampoo your hair. Let me know. A lot of people don't shampoo their hair at all. Like maybe they'll do it like once a month, just because it really dries out your hair. But this one, and I feel like it doesn't dry my hair that much, and I really don't care that much. So it's a part of the little collection, so I just go by the collection. But let me know in the comments, how much do you shampoo your hair? So the last step of my shampooing process is I take this paddle brush or just detangling brush, and I just use it to massage my scalp even more with the shampoo in it, and just like get it in those little different areas. They actually have a brush that does this for you, like an actual like scalp massaging brush. I just haven't gotten it yet, but I should get it soon. I don't know. And then lastly, I just wash this all out right after I put it in there and just get all the shampoo out my hair. So this is how my hair looks after I have shampooed it. As you can see, it's not really dry. Like, you can tell it's a little bit dry. But like, in terms of like what shampoo does, I don't feel like it's really like dried out my hair that much, or not that bad. Now I'm sectioning off my hair so I can use the deep mask treatment. Well, not deep mask, honey. What am I saying? It's a clay mask treatment from the Rice Water Collection from Mielle. And yeah, that's what I'm showing you. And I just take a little bit in my hand and again rub it together and use the prayer hand method to get it all the way through my hair. And then I go in with this brush again and I just detangle it, starting at the root, not the root, starting at the bottom of my hair, of course, and working my way up so I'm creating less breakage. If you're wear your hair natural, then you know this already, honey. And then after I detangle it, I just go in and twist it so it just won't get caught up with any of my other hair. So I just section it off, twist it up after I detangle it. And as you can see, honey, the curl looking really juicy, the twist looking real juicy. And yeah, I just keep on doing this. And I just section it off continuously. And yeah, I just got big dookie twists in my head. As y'all can see at the front of my hair, I still have really, not really bad heat damage, but I still have heat damage. So as you can see, that braid was not as juicy as the other one. But yeah, it's giving Felicia right now. It's definitely giving that. But now I take this heating cap that I got from Walgreens, not Walgreens, Walmart, and I'll link it in the description if you guys want it. But I just put it in the microwave for like a minute, and I had to put it in there for like 30 extra seconds to make sure it was really hot. And then I just take the cap and I put it all over my head, putting all the twists inside of the cap, and then I just leave that on for 15 minutes. And it stays pretty hot, so I really like this cap. I think it was only like $16. So once the 15 minutes are over, I can finally untwist my hair. And as you can see, like the curls are looking very much more like defined and it looks way better. So the best thing out of this collection is this clay mask. It really just works wonders on my hair. It helps like it not be really tangled. Like usually my hair is really tangled and all that stuff, but it really helps it like you after you brush you can just glide through it. But this is what it looks like afterwards. I'm also still have to wash it out, of course, but this is just what it looks like. This is how the curls is looking. So after I rinse it out, you see that it just looks so much better than it did after I rinsed out the shampoo. It looks much more moisturized. Not as moisturized as it did when it was in there, but you see how it's going. The curls is popping. The curls is there, especially in the back and the front. Like I said, I still got a little bit of heat damage. But next I'm about to go in with the moisturizing milk in the Rice Water Collection. This is the last step that I use, and I just do the prayer hands all through it. I don't section it out or anything like that. I just go through it and just let it be what it be. This is how much my hair shedded after 3 weeks of not washing my hair because of braids, which isn't that bad. But this is the hair. This is the end of the natural hair care wash day routine. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like, comment, and share.